Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we dive into the latest and most fascinating news from the cosmos. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you joining me today. As we explore the wonders of the universe, we'll be discussing a story that's out of this world, literally. Imagine walking on the moon and leaving behind not just footprints, but streaks of dust that tell a tale of their own. That's exactly what scientists have been studying recently, and the findings are nothing short of remarkable. Researchers from Johns Hopkins University, NASA Langley Research Center, and the University of Michigan have been investigating the phenomenon of dusty streaks on the lunar surface. These streaks, which can be seen in images taken by lunar orbiters, are believed to be caused by the interaction between the moon's surface and the exhaust plumes from spacecraft. But what's really interesting is that these streaks are not just random patterns. They're actually a result of complex multi-phase flow instabilities. Think of it like this. When a spacecraft lands on the moon, its engines kick up a massive amount of dust and debris. This material then interacts with the lunar surface, creating a complex dance of particles and gases. The resulting streaks are like fingerprints, unique to each spacecraft and its landing site. The team of researchers has been using a combination of experiments, simulations, and data analysis to study these dusty streaks. They've even conducted ground tests to mimic the conditions on the moon, using high-speed cameras to capture the intricate details of the multi-phase flow. So what does this all mean? Well, for one, it helps us better understand the dynamics of spacecraft interactions with celestial bodies. It also has implications for future lunar missions, where understanding the behavior of dust and debris will be crucial for safe and successful landings. And that's not all. The study of these dusty streaks can even provide insights into the geological history of the moon. By analyzing the patterns and shapes of the streaks, scientists can learn more about the composition and properties of the lunar surface. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We are exploring the vast expanse of space and technology, and I'm your host, Carl. Today we're diving into a fascinating tale that combines innovation with a dash of simplicity. Imagine a spacecraft made from paper, navigating through the cosmos with ease. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that scientists are actually working on an origami spaceplane to solve a major problem in orbit? As we've discussed before, space debris is a growing concern for astronomers and space agencies alike. Traditional spacecraft often leave behind metallic particles and chemicals that damage the ozone layer. But what if we could create a spacecraft that's not only eco-friendly, but also cost-effective? Enter the Origami spaceplane, made from organic materials that don't pose an environmental threat. The concept may seem simple, but it's actually quite brilliant. By using paper or other lightweight materials, scientists can create a spacecraft that's both durable and disposable. The idea is to use these small, passive probes to measure atmospheric density or provide low-cost, short-lived missions in low Earth orbit. Now, I know what you're thinking. But Carl, won't these paper planes be difficult to track? And that's a valid concern. Since they don't reflect radar strongly enough, it would be challenging to monitor their movement. However, the researchers suggest equipping them with miniaturized position, navigation, and timing transceivers to overcome this issue. The potential benefits of origami spaceplanes are numerous. For one, they could help reduce the amount of space debris in orbit. Additionally, their low cost would allow for multiple deployments at the same time, providing simultaneous distributed measurements. It's like having a swarm of tiny, eco-friendly spacecraft working together to gather data. Of course, there are still challenges to overcome, such as the limited duration they can spend in orbit due to aerodynamic drag. But the possibilities are exciting, and it's inspiring to see scientists thinking outside the box, or in this case, the traditional metallic spacecraft. As we continue to explore the frontiers of space technology, it's essential to consider innovative solutions like the origami spaceplane. Who knows? Maybe one day, we'll have a fleet of paper planes soaring through the cosmos, helping us better understand our universe and protect our planet. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We've had an incredible journey through the cosmos today, exploring the latest discoveries and advancements in the world of astronomy. But before we wrap up, I want to share with you a fascinating story that's been making waves in the scientific community. Imagine being able to manipulate terahertz fields with unprecedented precision, using nothing but near-infrared phases and a clever dislocation scheme. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. A team of researchers has made a groundbreaking discovery that enables the universal and versatile manipulation of terahertz fields, paving the way for breakthroughs in fields like optics, photonics, and even quantum computing. The concept is mind-boggling. By carefully controlling the phases of near-infrared light, scientists can create a dislocation scheme that allows them to manipulate terahertz fields with unparalleled accuracy. This innovation has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the terahertz spectrum and unlock new possibilities for applications like imaging, sensing, and communication. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, discoveries like this remind us of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the cosmos. The fact that scientists can harness the power of light to manipulate fields in such a precise manner is a testament to human ingenuity and the boundless potential of scientific inquiry. So, what does this mean for us stargazers? It means that the possibilities for exploring and understanding the universe just got a whole lot bigger. As we continue to push the boundaries of knowledge, we may uncover even more secrets hidden in the terahertz spectrum, waiting to be revealed by intrepid scientists and curious minds. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.